So here is a great example for easily understand. Let's suppose Miss Payal is a tally operator and also a very good accountant. She applied for a accountant or tally operator job for a well-known company. She get a email from a company or HR department that her interview will held next 2 days. Basically, she felt down, she confused, she called her senior or take advice to her mentor. But still she got confused. She afraid if she failed her first interview, she has no idea because this is her first ever interview of her life. What Miss Payal will do? So hello all my dear students and online astonishing learners. In this super excited and wonderful episode, we will learn how to confidently prepare interview and also pre-interview. In this episode, I also share 8 amazing tips, great technique actually, which make your brain and mind super strong, confident and excited before interview. And also I will share a bonus great tips for you end of the video. So end of the class. So without further ado, let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
If we have an interview, what we did? Let's suppose our interview held on the morning 11 am. What we do? We go there early 8 am, before 3 hours. So funny. Why this technique? Why this time is not recommended? What the exact time you have to go? Let's understand with this technique. So the first amazing technique is arrive early and get comfortable. It is important to be early, but make sure you are using your time well. If you arrive too early to the office, it can be kind of awkward waiting in the lobby and the hiring manager is probably interviewing other candidates. Instead, use that time wisely. If possible, arrive an hour early and explore the area. Walk around the surrounding area of the office and get a feel for the environment and location. Then find a local coffee shop and review your interview notes. Arriving 5 to 10 minutes before an interview still leaves a great impression and you will have a better idea of the environment. So you are not as intimidated and nervous walking into a new room. This is the another experience I want to share with you. Actually we are Hindu, we are Bengali, so we believe in God very much. So when we do interview, if we get a chance an interview, what we do? Our mom, our papa, our fathers, our elder sister, what they did? They say that don't put anything. Like if you are vegetarian, it's okay, but if you are non-vegetarian, it is fact that you don't take food. You thinking that if God don't bless me, okay, so you just hungry and with your hungriness you go to interview and you don't know what the time you actually taking the interview. So this is very important that you must fuel yourself to answer the question, because you don't know when your interviewer will ask you, will take your questions and you will take to yourself. So the next amazing technique is stay hydrated and eat something. Always eat something in the morning. You never know if your meeting will be delayed or if you end up clicking with your hiring manager and talking for hours. Although this is always a best good sign, make sure you have enough fuel to ensure you are answering your best. Here is very important things I want to share you from my heart. So in my life I attend an interview. So let's suppose you attend an interview and the interviewer taking questions and also checking your resume. Okay, so during this time suddenly your phone ringing. Okay, and most probably your phone ringtone like this. So what will be the consequence? What the interviewer and HR department will ask, will say something about yourself. Actually when we do interview, we forget about our cell phone, our smartphone. Actually, we on the pressure, we thinking about the question, we thinking about all that things. But remember one thing, this is not good that you just silent your phone. You have to switch off your phone. You don't know, you must forget about your smartphone because you are on the pressure. In my case, I many times forget because I have to prepare, I have to ask, I have to answer my question, I have to practice my questions. During that time, I forget my smartphone. So if you want to get the job, you have to silent your smartphone. This is very mandatory. So I hope you understand. Let's understand more visually in this whiteboard animation. So the next very good technique is off your smartphone, off your phone. Turn your cell phone off. Putting it on private is not good enough because you don't know when your phone will be ringing out. So the next amazing technique is familiarity. Become familiar with the company and person you are interviewing with. This will ensure there is no lull in the interview. For example, if you are preparing for a tally operator, graphic designer, or any type of job, you need to know the familiarity, like the things, like the questions, like the dress about the job. For example, more, if you are preparing for a representative job, you need to understand about representative dress and how they call, how they are calling nature. If you have any experience about interview, about your life, if it's be funny or maybe very confident, so please share your thoughts, share your experience in the comment section because this will be public and many one can be motivated, many one can be understand what your life actually you did. So basically this video will be helpful for everyone who watch this episode, who need this episode, okay, because we are Bengali, we don't know about English, we don't know about the concept of interview. So this episode is basically developed and modified for you, for all of you. So if you have any question, any suggestion, please make sure you just comment in the comment section. I am ready to reply your comment. Thank you so much. So that's all for today amazing class. I hope you learned something unknown and also enjoyed this class. I will see you another uplifting classes. Till then, do hard works, makes your dream come true. Wish you all the very best to all of you my dear students. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram and Namaskar. Bye bye.